Hello everyone. This video is about plot settings in LTSpice. It is not going to teach you how to build circuits in LTSpice, but how to set the background white or how to make this, as you can see, all the components here over here are black. So, and also the waveforms, the fonts, all these fonts are how they are coming so better. So let us start. So for setting the first time when you use your LTSpice, the background will come gray and your all your fonts will come in blue. That is just labels and everything. So how to change that now? So for changing that, the background to white and this waveform background also white. So let us start. So go to tools, go to control panel, go to drafting options. In the drafting options, you see the pen thickness. So you need to increase this pen thickness. If it is 1, see how the circuit will look. So it doesn't look good. We can optimally keep it 3 or greater than that also. So not a problem. So we'll keep it 4 for right now and click on OK. So you can clearly see there is a, distinct, the lines over here are become thicker now. Okay, let us see the next setting. So go to tools, go to control panel, go to waveforms, color scheme. So in this color scheme, you go to schematic and from here selected atoms, you go to background. So background, your RGB, you have to make it 255. So if you don't do that, the background will, be little bit different. So in your case, it is a little bit gray. So kindly change it to 255 and click on apply. Okay, again go to your background will become white. Again go to color schemes, schematic, and wires. Now we have to make everything black. So wires, you can select wires and make RGB as 000, right? So in one of your cases, it might be blue. So the blue will be 255. So you can make it 0 to make it black. Similarly, junctions also you can make RGB 0. Component body also you can keep it RGB as 0. Graphic flags, keep it as RGB, keep it as black. And component fill in, don't change it, keep it by default. Next is component text. Now this you can either keep it blue or black. Flag text also keep it as black. Next is spice directive text. Now spice directive text also you can keep it as blue or black. Next is comment text. Comment text also you can keep it either blue or black. Next is unconnected pin. This also make it exactly RGB as 0. So that means it will be black. Then don't change highlight color. The grid also you can make it all black. The grid is this dots which you see over here. So this also make it black by making RGB as uh, 0. Next is graphic annotations. You can keep it black and the background. Please see to that RGB for a background is 255 and click on apply and click on OK. So after doing the settings, everyone will be able to see this kind of, this thing. And always it's a good practice to write your own name at the top of the circuit for identification. That is your work and your roll number. So let me write an example and place it over here. Let's say, okay. So it's always a good practice to write your roll number and uh, your name. So now one more thing is there that sometimes people take the print screen like this. So please avoid doing that. You click on this zoom full extend. So please always keep a habit of doing this. Okay. Now this was about the plot settings for the schematic. Let us go to the waveforms. So for waveforms, you have to make this thicker. Now this I've already done that. So let me show you all how to do that. Go to tools, go to control panel, go to waveforms and the data trace width, make it, let's say if it is 1, what will happen, let's see. And let's say this is also by default 10. So by default you see the waveforms like this. Now as you can see it's clearly very light and very small font. So how to make it better, go to tools, go to control panel, waveforms, data trace width you can keep it either 3 or 4, cursor width you can keep it 2, the font point size you have it over here this you can make it as 14 or 15. You can select the different fonts also from here. So you can select, Times New Roman and anything, and you make the font bold, and click on OK. So you see, you got the x-axis and y-axis very clearly. So I have to select, it goes better with this thing. So I will select as a Arial. So you all can select any other font, not a problem. Okay, now how to this data trace bit is also bigger now. So also you can add your, if you want to, keep it like it's your work, you can add your name over here onto the screen, and you can also add your number. So this way you can take a print screen and upload your work. So this was all about the plot settings in LT Spice. Hope this is useful. So thank you.